Now let's do question number 15. So it says that we have a compound made up of just hydrogen and carbon, and 85.7% of this compound is carbon, and 14.3% of it is hydrogen. So how are we going to find the empirical formula? So remember guys, the empirical formula is the formula where all of the subscripts are in their lowest common denominator. So how are we going to do that? Well, since we have a percentage, we can assume we have 100 grams of the compound. So that means for every one of these, well, I don't really need to do this, but we're just going to assume that we have 85.7 grams of
The
C
Teaching Center.
and
UF's Learning Resource
14.3
Center.
grams of H. Then what I do is I divide both by their molecular weights. That should give me around 14.37 moles of oxygen, of H, and I do the same thing for carbon. And I should get around 7.3. So next what I'm going to do is I realize that I have C 7.3, H 14.37. But that looks really wonky because we have decimals. So what we're going to do is we're going to divide both by the smaller of the two numbers. So we're going to divide both by 7.3, and we should get where it's CH2. And you have your answer.